Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do ZARA haul. I'm gonna try about 40 items. I'm gonna match these hats as well. And these summer bags from ZARA. So let's get started. I got a symmetric shirt and a skirt as a set, but you can wear separately. You can match with this raffia hat. I love this hat. With same shirt, I match it with white jean. It's so comfortable. This floral jacquard knit top is perfect with white jean. And the same cardigan as a set. Isn't it so cute? So there's the same style cardigan as a purple color. You can match with any jean. Also there's a yellow color. This is more feminine look. This time I match with a pink color jean. This is so cute. I love the pink trimming of this plaid knit dress. This is kind of like modern chic style. You can match with this kind of summer bag. It's a neon orange color. This light green color long knit dress is perfect for summer, and there's a raffia hat you can match. And you can match with the long knit jacket. It comes as a set, perfect together. Now you are ready to go to the beach. You can match with the purple floral cardigan as well. Okay, this one is collaborated with Barbie. Love this color of sweatshirt and jogger pants. The sweatshirt matches well with blue jean. This pink overshirt, kind of Chanel style, right? I match it with white jean, but you can match with kind of shorts. Like white shorts, gonna be perfect. Love this orange color poplin top. The full sleeve is so cute, and orange color matches well with white jean. Also, this kind of white skirt matches well as well. Raffia hat complete the look. Now I'm ready for summer. This blue flower pattern blouse comes with toiletry bag, which is pouch. I'll show you later. Perfectly matching with white skirt. This pouch comes with the blouse. There's a same pattern shorts. Love this embroidered dress, perfectly matching with the raffia hat. Love this geometric pattern pink top, perfectly matching with green tone pants. With the same green tone pants, there's a actually set like a dress with a headband. I didn't try headband, but like it's perfectly matching with my Bottega Veneta pouch bag. I love this kind of set from ZARA. This season, ZARA brought so many colorful blouses and shirts like this. I love their color. You can buy as a set as well. You can have a kind of dress-up feeling by wearing set. It looks fancy. One tip, choose solid neutral color bag when you wear colorful pattern. When it's summer, you can match pattern top with a pattern pants. For this look, I matched green top with a pink tone pants. If you think all over the pattern is too much, try to match solid color like this white pants, white jean. This look much better, right? Okay, ZARA did collaboration with Chupa Chups. This is so lovely, cute. Love the fringe detail. I love this pale pink color. This voluminous midi dress is kind of romantic vibe. It perfectly matches with this raffia hat. This linen blend white pants, I love it. It's so comfortable and stylish. I match it tone on tone with the yellow cardigan, but you can match any kind of like white top or summer top. I love this red color jean. Color really pops, perfect for summer. I love this pink tone dress. There's a slit on both sides, so it's so comfortable to walk. So this hat comes with a printed shirt, the one I showed earlier. This season they have so many vibrant color like this, like green, pink, yellow, neon. You can really mix match with the same pattern or like different color pattern. I love this cargo jumpsuit, especially the front part, the pocket on the chest side, and the shoulder strap. This jumpsuit perfectly matching with the raffia hat as well. Love this satin style jumpsuit. It's so silky. I didn't wear like model, but there's a cross strap you can put at the front side, so you can wear two-way, I guess. I love this color of geometric pattern dress. It's so unique. So I matched it with same tone, orange color, shopper bag from ZARA. And this striped bucket hat. This light blue tone striped knit sweater perfectly matching with the white jean. This time I match it with the lime green tone shopper bag. And the same bucket hat. How is it? So this knit sweater has a skirt as a set, so I got this one as well. These two are so cute together. And matches well with this lime tone shopper bag as well. How was it? Hope you guys enjoyed my ZARA haul. I do fashion, lifestyle in LA. So if you are interested in this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye.